have a funny period after the vaccine, this is not something that we think is going to bother you for the rest of your life. So the answer to this is we don't actually know for sure yet, but lots of people have been reporting this. And the main things that people have been reporting are having a heavier period than usual or having a slightly delayed period. We do know that there are other vaccines where there are short-term changes to periods that may happen after you've had the vaccine. We know for those that the change only happens for 1 or 2 cycles. First of all, we know that the immune system affects sex hormones and sex hormones affect the immune system. And of course, it's your sex hormones that are running your periods. So if we give your immune system a big shock, whether we're giving it to you via a vaccine or because you've actually got infected, you might see changes in those hormones, which will change perhaps when or how you bleed. The other possibility is you do have lots and lots of immune cells in the lining of your uterus, and this is actually what I work on. And one possibility is that these could be affected by the sort of general activation of your immune system that happens as part of a vaccination or a general illness, and that could affect your cycle. No, those people who are reporting these changes to their periods are saying that they happen for 1 month. Some people say they happen for 2 months. The other reason that people are a little bit worried about this is they think, oh, if my period's changed, maybe there's a problem potentially down the line with my fertility. But we actually know from these other vaccines that cause short-term changes to your periods that there is no effect on fertility.